Let's start with our North Star. Ito yung reason kung bakit tayo nandito in the first place. Kung hindi natin madedefine to, para ka lang nagdadrive ng kotse na walang destinasyon. In short, mawawalan lang din ng saysay lahat ng pinagagawa natin sa club kung wala tong element na to. So, simulan natin sa purpose. Ano ba yung purpose ng club natin? So, ang purpose ng RCT Chess Club is to play for a win on and off the board. I actually got this idea from Gary Kasparov's book na Ang Buhay Natin is Parang Chess. Naniniwala yung club natin na tayo yung hari at reyna ng sarili nating kapalaran at may kapangyarihan tayo na i-shape yung future sa bawat galaw natin, mapa-classroom pa man yan, boardroom, giyera, or chessboard. Quick trivia for starters, si Gary Kasparov yung pang 13th World Chess Champion natin after niyang matalo si Anatoly Karpov noong 1985. If napanood nyo na yung Queen's Gambit sa Netflix, siya rin yung naging consultant para doon. The next one is our common vision. Parang tong commercial ng Nescafe, para kanino tayo bumabangon. In our case, it's for our alma mater. Wala naman ng ibang reason kung ba't tinayo yung club natin bukod sa manalo tayo. Kapag nanalo kasi tayo, susunod na dyan yung mga benefits like free promotions, sponsorships, and iba pang mga perks. And lastly, our collective mission. So, para merge natin yung common vision, ipopromote natin yung chess, hindi lang as a game na dapat nating ipanalo, kundi as a lifestyle na rin. Hindi kasi sapat na magaling ka lang sa chess. As an athlete, need mo pa rin ng proper training, nutrition, and discipline para ma-maintain mo yung high level of performance. Kumbaga, nire-reframe natin yung mission ng club as a personal development instead of maglalaro ka lang ng chess.